Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm here with another reveal video and I'm pretty excited about this stamp set too. I just think these penguins are super cute. The set is named Snow Fun Penguins. There are 3 main penguin images and 4 sentiments and then 3 little snowflake accents. The first penguin measures about 2 by 2 inches. The little snowman penguin measures 1 3/4 by 2 3/4 inches. And the third penguin also measures 2 by 2 inches. I do have a couple of samples to share with you, and this first card is a Slimline card, and that background paper is also new. It is the Slimline frozen patterned paper. And I almost feel like I cheated because the background paper is so fun, it makes creating a card really super easy. The second card is a triple step fun fold card, and I will have a video on January 6th sharing how I created that card. And I'll also be sharing some tips on how to color the penguins. And that's it. For more information, I have all of that linked for you in the description box below. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd also love to have you follow us on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.